So here we have the A2, absolutely filthy, and we need to clean it. So the very first thing we're going to do is going to use a normal VAX Hoover to go inside and clean out all the inside of the car. So first off, we're going to get rid of all the stuff in here that might get in the road. Take the floor mats out, multiple floor mats, which is always good. And then we are going to give it a vacuum. So now we're just going to get into it. So here we can see we've taken the carpet up again, this time on the driver's side footwell, and we'll just put that back down again. Right back into place. There we go. And we can see the car is now much tidier. Much tidier indeed. We can see it looks a lot cleaner, it's a lot tidier. It's not perfect by any means, but it's in far better condition than it was before. And now we are ready to move on to the next step. The next step is going to be steam cleaning the different components of the car and using some product to clean it, and also to go over it with the wet bag. So this is the next step complete, and tomorrow we will get on with the wet backing. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.